Dudes, what's up? Update number 2. Still can't find the stupid sensor. I even went and bought a fix-it book. Can't find the stupid thing. Tore off yesterday the passenger side tire, fender well. Looked and looked and looked, couldn't find it. Ended up taking a trip to O'Reilly's, bought a fix-it book. It says, oh, the sensor's on the left side of the engine. So I put all the passenger side stuff back on, came over to the driver's side, tore all that stuff off. Still couldn't find it. So yesterday ended with me putting the tire back on my truck so I could get it out of the garage so I could shut the garage door for the night. But good news is I did get one of the LED fog lights installed. Yeah. So I'm going to install the second one real quick. And I'll actually film that for you because it's quick and somewhat easy. So these are just plug and play. This is nice. But so on the back of your fog light, you got one bolt right there and then 2 up top. And then unplug it and it just pulls out back through. You undo the screw right there. You undo that and it disconnects it from the housing. Pull the old bulb out, put the new bulb in. The screw in that spring's a pain in the butt to get back the spring in there to get it reconnected. Then you throw it back in, put the 3 bolts back in, and plug it back into the harness. So, like I said, I'm going to set this up so maybe you can see what I'm doing. But once I actually get the light out, that's where I'm going to end the video. Because like I said, it takes a pain in the butt to get that other spring back in. So, yep. Huh. Might help if I socket. It is a 5/16 socket. Screw. The other 2 are easier to get to from up top. Maybe not. So the other two are down here. You're not really going to be able to see them. Down below. Yeah, that's a pain in the butt. Doesn't do it from down below. Got all three of those out, so now I just have to pull the light out. I already unplugged it from the wiring harness. And there you go. There's the light bracket. So now I just gotta undo that screw. The bulb whole piece will pop out. Use a flathead, pull those tabs, and the whole piece comes out. Screw is out. So the screw's out, and flathead screwdriver, lift the tab, I have to do it. Until it pops out of the holder on one side, and go to the other side, do the same thing. it's being a pain in the butt. I don't know why it's being such a pain. There it goes. And then the light just pops out like that. So I'm ready to go put the new LED one in. So, yep, simple as that. So now I gotta go and fight putting that new spring back in here. That spring also controls your adjustment of your lights to point them up further or down further by loosening up that screw. So I'm gonna go get that put in. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you the reinstall part because it's just basically the same thing backwards. So hope you enjoyed. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe.